morning. It is 4:30 a.m. and we're going hot air ballooning. Support crew check. Alice is just here for the sunrise, not for us.
Honestly, fair.
You have me.
Have so much fun.
Thank you. Are you gonna vlog for me from the ground? Thank you.
Enough to paint lonesome black and blue. Yeah, I have you.
And we were off from our starting point of the Château de Pommard to our takeoff location. This location changes on the daily depending on forecasted winds, and this day we were lucky enough to take off from the beautiful, picturesque village of Montly.
And you have me. That puts a bow up in the sky, tells the rain to cease. We've had up, and we've had down. We've had warm nights, we've gone round and round.
Next up was the setup stage, and everyone got to help in the process. Step 1 was to unfold and lay the balloon canvas flat on the ground.
How are you feeling, Mr. Afraid of Heights?
I'm a little bit nervous, but I mean, it's a big boy. Look at that thing.
Yeah, that's huge.
It's solid. I'm excited though.
Step 2 was inflating the balloon with, you guessed it, hot air.
What I know, this much is true. There ain't a color in the rainbow that shines like you.
Then it was time to light her up.
Let's carve our names into this tree. Then lay beneath the river leaves.
Woo! After about a half hour of setup, it was finally time to climb on board the basket, which can hold up to 16 people.
They're going in the tree. Bye! Woohoo! Bye! Have fun! Have fun!
The birds and the bees seem to agree that we're strong as a maple, and twice as sweet. We've had ups,
Wow.
we've had downs. We've had warm nights, we've gone round and round. What I know, this much is true. There ain't a tree with any leaf
Bye-bye.
that roots me like you.
Following the car to go to their destination. Oh, you can kind of see it over there.
I've gone north, I've gone south, I've gone east, west, inward and out. For me, I know this much is true. There ain't a single direction that don't point to you. They all point to you.
How you feeling, Paul?
Good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's the highest we've ever been.
In a basket?
In a basket.
For sure.
Propelled by hot air.
Yeah. A barbecue basket.
désolé. And we found you. I think you're landing. I think you're landing. Just kidding, I don't think you're landing. You're back up in the air. False alarm. Back up and running. We're coming.
Balloon chasers. Woo! Get in the car.
Time to land.
The prophecy has come true.
You're over there? We're trying to figure out where you're landing. Oh my gosh. Go, go, go! Okay, so it turns out you're still in the air. Following you along. False alarm again. The cows are looking at y'all. They're like, what's going on?
There's the family following us by car.
Finally landed. And we're falling.
Oh.
Oh my god, oh my god. Woo, woo. Literally our view right now. We're here holding on. Hello. Well, this is comfortable.
Ah la la.
How was it?
Oh, best Christmas present ever! It took so long to land. Once we got our feet back on the ground, it was time to pack the balloon back up.
You landed! Yay! After what, like an hour? An hour and a half of following you around like the whole region, you landed in this beautiful field. congrats. Looked really cool.
And as is tradition, we had a nice little breakfast with fresh croissants and pain au chocolat at our landing site. We're reunited now! Thank you guys so much for watching our wonderful adventure. Definitely the best Christmas present I've ever gotten. Thank you, Fabrice and Christine, if you're watching.
Oh, they're watching.
Bye, see you guys in my next video.